this is our rotary force, 115 degrees, or a tub as they're called in the States. I don't go much on them, but people have asked us to supply one. We don't have one at home, but I guess people whose cattle have a flight zone from here to Burke or are worried about it, these tubs or the rotary forces seem to be a bit of a trend. They could go the way of the anti-backing bars in the races, which didn't last very long. But anyway, we do one. It's all 3mm thick material, and then it's all very heavy. So it's a standard gate with a clicker panel, and I'll come back to the gate in a minute. But it's just got your standard clicker gate, which all of the rotaries have. You'd probably find that there's not a whole lot of people would actually activate that gate all the time. They would still work their force from the side, which you've seen from the drone shots the other day. If you've just got a well-designed force, you probably don't need one of these. There's been a few people that have rang up and asked for one of these. I've then got them to send up a sketch of their force, and it's been a goddamn awful Y-shaped thing, or it's been half a bud box. It's too small, it's too big, it's neither here nor there, and they think these are the answer. But for anybody that does think they do need one of these, with the traditional rotary force, there's always a bad corner back here because the gate's straight. So by curving this gate, by curving the clicker gate, that takes out some of the bad corner, which is always back here, where the cattle do tend to put their heads. And in case you've got a doughy little weaner or something that's straight off mum and a pet out of the sale yards, we've still got a gate to get in and to put the little doughy little weaner into the race. Sheeted on the offside. Still gaps that cattle can't get their head between. And as I say, 75/50 3mm thick material, mainly all the way through. Will not bend, will not fold. So that is the rotary force which we make.